Okay, it's right there. There's the hair salon and then the apartments upstairs. Looking down Girard. Girard's a, pretty active street. Places look like they've been fixed up, some of them here, and over there you can tell that whole block looks redone, real nice. So right across from the place, this is what it looks like. Trees all the way down, which is nice. Trees are also not everywhere in Philly these days. Just kind of give you an idea of the area here. Just walking. You're really close to Fairmount Park and the zoo. The zoo is right down there. It's also really close to the 33rd Street place as well. So, okay, we're gonna meet up with the owner here in a minute. That's what we're looking at. Doesn't look like the hair place is open, but we'll go over there. Kind of the best way to do it here. Here's the entrance. So one door, and then the two doors, there's the salon, and there's your door.
Get out of your way.
Okay, get an upshot here. Right in here, some hooks for some coats. Open stairwell here. Here we go. Nice and big. Nice and open. So big closet space here. It's nice and big, and space up top too. Here's the bathroom. So not quite as up to date, but nice open kitchen here. The washer and dryer. And a window. And pantry space. It leads right into the front room. Ceiling fan there. Some more closet space. And this looks out to Girard here. Two big windows. And then staircase up. Some rails. Closet space. So nice and Philly. Ooh. Nice big room. And two shelf closets. This is very typical. Philadelphia houses have shelving closets. And another bedroom with a connecting door. Oh, nice big closet. And storage space up top. Very nice. Here's this, back to the stairwell area. And I'll get one more shot of going down so you can see the doorway area again. So. There's a big ceiling fan right there too. And it would be right down, that would be your door. But the area would be a little close as far as the area right into the salons right there.
Want the door closed?
So, sure, that'd be good. See the space? So it'd be a little bit smaller space here. Sorry about the siren.